Sautéed kidneys. Chop one medium-sized onion in half, then slice finely into semicircles. Thoroughly wash the lamb kidneys, dry with a paper towel and then cut into small pieces. Melt 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a flat-bottom saucepan. Add the lamb kidneys and fry until brown. Add the chopped onion to the kidneys and continue cooking on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Last of all, add the chopped tomatoes, then cover the saucepan with a lid. Leave the kidneys cooking for about another 10 minutes on medium heat. Serve hot as soon as the food is cooked.